Hey everybody, this is Peter with BibleMoneyMatters.com, and today we're taking a look at a new drone that I picked up. It's the Force One Blue Heron Wi-Fi first-person view drone with HD camera on the bottom. Very cool little drone, and today we're going to unbox it and take a look, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the drone we're looking at, the Blue Heron. This thing has all sorts of features on it. Going to be kind of hard to see here, but it has a custom route mode, altitude hold, real-time first-person view, heading hold, 15 minutes of flight time with each battery, so 30 minutes total because there's 2 batteries in here. We have Wi-Fi control, out-of-range alarm, low battery alarm, and 1-button takeoff and landing. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we've got in here. Okay, so what we've got there is the drone. It's already all put together, it looks like. So there is the drone. Has the nice blue color on top there, has the blue propellers, and it's got the built-in propeller guards here. Extremely light drone here. You have the bay for the battery there, and I believe that's probably where you plug in your HD cam. Kind of hard to see there. So there it is. Let's put that over there, out of the way, and we'll take a look at what else is in the package here. Alright, so you have the 2 landing gear here. Those are going to go on the bottom of the drone. We've got a remote control, and as you can see, the remote control has some instructions here that will tell you a little bit more about what you can do. Here is your controls, your power switch, heading hold button, your takeoff and landing button, and also emergency stop button. And you have your, that's what it looks like right there. On the back you have your speed button, high and low, and a trim button right there. So that is the controller. Looks pretty nice. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got the 2 batteries. Those slide right into the drone, click right in. And we've got some miscellaneous parts here. We've got a screwdriver, a USB cord, and a couple other things there. Alright, let's take this out. That looks like our camera. So right there is our camera. Let's see if we can get a closer up look at that. So that's going to mount on the bottom side of your drone there. And, oh, again, that's hard to see probably, but there's a port where you can put in your SD card. And there it is. So we'll put that over here. And then, of course, you've got some extra propellers. So, when all is said and done, you have your drone, camera, landing gear, some accessories. That's pretty much it. Let's come back in a moment. I'll put it all together and you can see how it looks once it's done. Okay, so we've got the drone all set up, all ready to go. We've installed the landing gear. We installed the camera on there. You can see that. Also installed the USB cord from the drone to the camera to supply power and everything else. And then we clicked in the battery. Kind of hard to see that. But all in all, it's all set to go. So now we have the controller. I set this up a little bit previously, But right now what we're going to do is we're going to pair the drone and the controller. So you turn it on, it's a fast blink up here, then you do the left stick down and then release it back to the center and it'll be a slow blink. Now we want to turn on the drone. There's a power button on the back, kind of hard to see right there, but we'll press that button. Oops. A hard time pressing it here. Alright, so the drone's gonna flash. Alright, so now it is paired because the light on the controller is steady red now, and the lights are not flashing on the drone anymore. So what I'm going to do, since it's paired, all you have to do to start the engines on the drone are push the controllers down to the center. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, there you go. We're all set to go. I'm not going to take it off in the house right now, but as you can see, pretty powerful, sounds great, we're all set to go. Okay, so we're going to do one quick little test flight here. As you can see on here, I have the first person view set up on the drone, so we can use that. But right now, let's start the engines.